Hello friends, today we will create a matchstick bridge. So we'll start with a white tape and put two ice cream stick together on it to make the base, and then put some fevicol on it and then attach those matchsticks alternatively because they should give space to each other. Do it with patience because you need to cover the whole ice cream stick with some matchsticks. Then if the fevicol is dried, put some more fevicol in it and then continue the process. This process requires some patience. Make sure there is no gap between the matchsticks and then apply a weight on the matchsticks so that they will be stick together and make a strong base. Now we will start with a pillar. So we will put 4 matchsticks together and add it with some fevicol and white tape. All the dark part of the matchsticks will be put together so that they should be even. In this way, we will make 4 pillars. The white tape is rolled to make the pillars strong. Alternatively, you can use some glue gun, but I rely more on white tape than the glue gun. Once the pillars are ready, we will use a wood panel as a base, and on that base we will put those pillars at the position where it can hold the base what I have created using the matchsticks and the ice cream sticks earlier. Give some time to dry, otherwise pillar will fall frequently. Now to attach the base on those pillars, put 1 matchsticks joining the adjacent pillars, and then the base will be put or attached on this single matchstick. I have used fevicol here. Alternatively, you can use glue gun because that is easy to dry. Now we will start making the upper portion of the bridge. It will start with the railings, and I have put 3 railing sticks on each side, and then create an X in between the railings to give it a support, and then I join all the railings together with some more matchsticks vertically and horizontally. I suggest to use glue gun instead of Fevicol here because you need to stick it quickly. Fevicol needs some more time and patience to dry. You can use it, but you need to spend some more time. But make sure you have the parental guide to use glue gun because that is risky. It can burn your fingers. If you don't have the parental support during the creation, you just use the Fevicol. It will take some more time, but the result is same. Make sure you use the straight matchsticks to make the bridge. I have added some side support to the pillars as well. So there will be two inclined matchsticks attached to each of the pillars.